Hey guys, welcome to the new video of Team Hunk. Have you ever thought of having a website like this? Here you find beauty products that you can buy and you get home delivery. Now you also can own a site like this. Let's get started. Open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance. Click on Add New Theme. Search for Shop Mania. Install and activate the theme. It is activated now. You can see the options for the theme. Click on Shop Mania options, and then Starter Templates. Click on the Starter Site plugin and Import Demo. You can filter the template on the basis of Page Builder and Template category. Here all templates are shown. We have to build a skincare website and this is its template, but the template is premium. That means we need to upgrade the theme to Pro to import this demo. Click on the Upgrade to Pro button. You can buy the Shop Mania Pro from this page. Now log into the Members Area dashboard. Download the Shop Mania Pro. After uploading the plugin to your dashboard, you can see it appearing here. Now go to Appearance and click on License. The plugin is activated by the license key. You can get the license key from here. After pasting the key, click on Activate. Our theme is upgraded to Pro now. You can see the Pro sign here. The premium templates are unlocked now. This is the preview of the site. Once you are OK, click on Continue. Click on Build My Website. The website is ready. You get two options here. Customize and view the site. When I click on the Customize button, the page is opened with Elementor for customization. You can make your desired changes. For demonstration, I am changing the heading. When you click on something, its customization options open, where you can make significant changes. You get options to change the image, video, or any media file within a few steps. Its intuitive and user-friendly drag-and-drop interface allows users to easily create beautiful pages without any coding knowledge. After all, don't forget to save the changes with this Publish button. Now click on View Website. You can customize the basic website settings from this Customize button. From the Site Identity options, you can edit the site logo, title, and favicon. Here you find the pre-made layouts that are designed to change the appearance with different designs. You can choose whichever layout you like most. The typography gives you a variety of options to customize the font sizes, line spacing, and other typographic elements that lead to enhancing readability and information hierarchy. The colors cannot be ignored in designing any type of website. Here you can target each part of the site to color. They help in creating attractive and visually appealing sites. You can also integrate your social handle here so that your users can also connect to you on other platforms like Instagram, X, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and more. You also get customization options for preloader, menus, and homepage settings. The WooCommerce is one of the most important things on the site. You can personalize the pages and styles related to WooCommerce from this section. You can check different layouts for the shop page and see them live. So finalize the layouts and move further. The additional CSS is used when you need to design beyond the basic styling of elements like font, color, and layout. Moreover, you can go to a particular option's customization using this pen icon. Finally, don't forget to save the changes. This is our home page. Let's head to the shop page. All the products are organized and listed here. There is the skincare product category page. Pages like this hold the products belong to a particular category. On the new arrival page, products that are added recently are shown. As on the new arrival page, the products on sale are listed here. Users searching for such products can visit this page. This is an FAQ page, where you can write the answers to the frequently asked questions and issues that users face while on the website. On the Contact Us page, the users can contact you through this contact form. Later you can reply to users. Let's see some of the features and functionalities we get with the site. These are products. Users can have a quick view with this eye icon. This allows to choose the product quantity and add the product to cart also. This is given to add the product to wishlist, so users can check the product later. And this is one of the most important features. Users can compare 2 or more products in case of doubt and make a final decision. After putting the products in compare, click on the compare button. You can see the products are compared in many aspects. By the way, you can edit these fields also from the plugin settings. To add another product to compare, simply click on the Add Product, search Product, and click on it. The product is added. This is how multiple products can be compared. To remove the product from the compare table, click on Remove. They can also be removed from here. Let's see what a single product page looks like. This is it. There are some more products given. This is the description and reviews of the product. Now select the quantity and click on Add to Cart. Click on View Cart now. This is the cart page. For the checkout page, click on Proceed to Checkout. On this page, users have to fill in all the information that is asked and then it can proceed further. After filling in all the details, click on Place Order. The order is confirmed and these are the details. So this is how to create a skincare and beauty products store using WordPress, WooCommerce, and Elementor. You can download the theme using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.